यूनान के दारुल हुकूमत एथेंस में जर्मन नौजवान ने कुरान पाक से मुतासर होकर इस्लाम कबूल कर लिया। जर्मन नौजवान ने कलमा तैयबा पढ़कर मारूफ सनाखा कारी शाहिद महमूद के हाथों इस्लाम कबूल किया। तफसीलात देखिए इशराक नज़ीर की रिपोर्ट में।
जर्मन नौजवान ने कलमा तैयबा पढ़ने के बाद मरूफ सनाखा कारी शाहिद महमूद के साथ मस्जिद दारुल अमान अमोनिया में महफिल में शिरकत की और नमाज अदा करने के बाद मस्जिद में नमाज पढ़ने वाले तमाम नमाजियों से गले मिले।
As an atheist, my father was like Protestant, my mother was Catholic, and I did not believe until I think around when I was 32-ish. And someone gave me the German translation of the Quran, and I was feeling a bit conflicted in my life, and I just had the feeling I should maybe pick up the Quran, and I started reading. And I had, for the first time in my life, I had a religious epiphany, and I realized that I had been stupid because it, like, until that point I was like, it doesn't make sense. But then I read it and I understood what God is, who God is, and then when it clicked, I realized it's stupid to not see that, because how could there be no God? Like the world is there, we see it, like we are in it. So that's how I realized, oh wow, like, because I didn't even read the rest of the Quran, and I haven't read it yet because I got scared. And he said, "Yeah, do you believe in Allah?" And I said, "Yes, of course. Like, I'd be stupid not to." And he said, "Well, I guess you're a Muslim now." And it was only when I met him. He was
we met up a few days ago, and he told me like he identify himself as a Muslim. I tell him, "Wow, how we came?" And he tell me the same story. But I tell him, "Did you send the Shahada?" He said, "What is Shahada?" I tell him, "This is the first step to enter the Islam officially." And yesterday we supposed to do this Shahada, but God decided to be today and tell him, let's choose the sunset. Okay. So we came here a little bit earlier, and the sunset was going, and he chose to be in this place under this tree. He said this is maybe spiritual. He feel like it's spiritual.
जर्मन नौजवान ने गुफ्तगू करते हुए बताया कि इस्लाम ही सच्चा दीन है। आज मैं अपने आप को खुशकिस्मत तस्वुर कर रहा हूँ कि मैं दायरे इस्लाम में दाखिल हो गया हूँ। मस्जिद में मौजूद मुख्तलिफ ममालिक से ताल्लुक़ रखने वाले मुसलमानों ने जर्मन नौजवान को दायरे इस्लाम में दाखिल होने पर मुबारकबाद पेश की।